Hello, my name is Shanteshwar Yadav. I am from Akbarpur Ambedkar Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. I did my B.Tech from Jodhpur National University in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I joined Evision Technoserve Private Limited on 8 Feb. It is an IT recruitment and manpower outsourcing company. I had joined a full-day job internship there under the guidance of different IT managers and administrators. During the classes, we go through a real-time work experience there. There are different instructors who give their precious time to us, and they provide excellent concept and practical knowledge about different topics that they have taught to us. The first lecture was given by Roshan sir. He told us about the networking, that is N plus basics. He took a class there, and that class contains the different types of networking, different types of topologies, and also the devices that we use in networking there. After that, he also told us about the virtualization, in which we can use VMware Workshop. By using virtualization technique, we can use different type of operating system in a particular computer without any complications. After that, Mr. Rahul sir, who taught us about the Windows administration, in which we go through the installation and downloading of Windows operating systems and also Windows Server operating system, in which he also told us about creating the user account and administrator account as well. And also he taught us how to troubleshoot the problems that were created in a Windows, and we are able to solve such type of problems by the help of Rahul sir. And after that, Vibhushit sir, he provided us a class on CCNA, routing and switching, in which he gave a concept about how to we create a program and how we connect a particular routers and how the routers and switches are working there. And we have done a lot of projects on routing and switching, in which OSPF, iOS, and so many types of topics that he told us. And by the help of him and his concepts, we are now able to draw any type of networking, or we can also draw any type of systems easily. After that, a cybersecurity class that is run by Manu sir, and he gave a basic knowledge of cybersecurity, in which we can easily go through the all the concepts of security of a system, and we are now able to understand how we secure our systems easily here. So during all the sessions, there are mock interviews held, and these interviews help us a lot. By these mock interviews, we get knowledge about what we are mistakes doing there, and we can easily go through the doubts, and our instructors help us there, and we can easily perform in rest of the parts. So now we are confident to face any type of interviews, and we can easily crack any type of interviews. So I am very thankful to our instructors that they make us as much confident to face any type of interviews. Thank you.